IR Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about break statement in Python. Break statement in Python. What is break statement? Where it is used mainly. That is very important. The break statement is Python. The first one, what is break? Break is a keyword or built-in word or user word or user-defined one. Break is a keyword. Break is a keyword. Break is a keyword. It is used to this word. It is used to transfer the control from one part of the program to another part of the program. One part of the program to another part of the program. This statement, this keyword, this statement or keyword, break keyword or break statement, break keyword. It is used to transfer the control from one part of the program to another part. That means one area to another area within the program to transfer the control from one area to another area. It is mainly used in either while loop or for loop. It is mainly used in either while loop or for loop. What is the syntax of the break statement? The syntax of the break statement is only break keyword. That's all. Only break without any parenthesis, without any commas, without any brackets. That is the syntax. What is the main purpose? It is a keyword. This is mainly used to transfer the control from one part to another part. It is mainly used either in while loop or for loop. That means the break the value. For example, first example using break statement. Okay, to demonstrate break statement within the while loop. Okay, break statement in while loop. Break statement in while loop. Example, or the break statement in for loop. It is easy for loop. Break statement in for loop. It can be used either while loop or for loop. No problem at all. For example, break statement in for loop. For I in range of 1, 11, 1. That means here this is the range is a function. Range is a inbuilt function. It returns the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 values are returned this function. And this function is the 10 value and print of 5. That means this function automatically, this statement, they automatically print the value up to 1 to 10 values. This statement returns this for loop is executed to print the value 1 to 10 numbers only. For example, if we are using for simple statement, if I equal to 7, if I equal to 7, break. If I equal to 7, break. Otherwise, repeat the process. For example, for loop. For I in range of 1, 11. Within the for loop, this function returns the I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 value. First time, very starting time, this is the I value, and this is output. This is output. Here, this is the output value. Output. First time I value equal to 1. It takes I value equal to 1. 1 equal to 7. 1 equal to 7. This statement returns false. So that's why this is not executed. Again, execute the equivalent statement, that is print statement. Print of I means the output value is 1. Again, the control goes to back. And the next time I value takes the I value equal to 2. I value 2 equal to. If 2 equal to 7, the condition is false. So this is not executed. Print of I value 2, output is 2. Again, the control goes to back. Next takes I value, second value, third value, I value is 3. 3 equal to 7. This condition returns false value. So this is not executed. Again, print of I. Print the value on the screen. The print the value equal to 3. Again, the control goes to back. I value equal to 4. Next value. I value is 4. 4 equal to 7. The condition returns false value. So this break statement is not executed. The next statement is executed. The next statement is print of I. Print the value on the screen. Again, the control goes to back. The next time I value equal to 5. I value equal to 5. If 5 equal to 7, this is a condition. 5 equal to 7. 5 equal to 7. The condition is false. So print the value of I. Again, go to back. I value equal to next time 6. 6 equal to 7. 6 equal to 7. The condition returns false, then this statement is executed, print of I. Again go to 7 back, I value equal to 7. Here the condition 7 equal to 7. This condition returns true. Up to I value equal to 7, this condition returns true. This condition returns true. Then immediately the break statement is executed. What is the use of the break statement? The break statement, what is the use of the break statement? After execute the break statement, immediately the control transfer to after the while loop. After the while loop means that is the next statement. No more statements in the program. Only 1 to 6 statement, 1 to 6 values are printed. If the value equal to I equal to 7, then the control jump to after the loop. That is break. What is the use of break? The break statement is used to, okay, this is used to, the break it is used to transfer the control when to another part of the program. Mainly it is used either while loop or for loop. Exit from the loop. That means exit from the loop. The main it is used in the exit from the loop. Now run the module, run this module, run this module, run the module. This is a module, this is a program. Program, run the program, print the value, run the program, run the module, run the current script. And the output is simply returns only 1 to 5, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 5 value, 6 value. Returns only 1 to 6 values. For example, using one more example, another example, to print another example. For example, second example to print any given string. Second example, for example, x equal to Python. X equal to Python. Input value x is a string variable. It is used to store the value equal to Python. For I in x, it is not a range. X is a string value. For I in x, what is the syntax of the for loop? For variable name in some sequence. The sequence is a string. If I equal to h, I equal to h, break, and print of I. Okay, to print the values of the given string up to h, to print the values of the given string up to h. Very first time here, what is the x value equal to? Here, what is the x value? Here, what is the x value? X value equal to Python. Here, the x value equal to Python. X value equal to Python. X value equal to Python. Okay, clear. First, for I in first time x value, I value equal to p. P equal to h, false. So this is not executed. Again, the print of I. The output is print the p value. Again, the control goes to back. I value next time I value equal to y. I value equal to y. This is I value. First time I value is p. Second time I value equal to y. Okay, if y equal to h, the condition is false. This is not executed. Print of I. Print the value on the screen. Next I value equal to, again go to back. I value equal next time t. T equal to h. This condition is false. This is not executed. Print of I value t and print on the screen I value. Again the go to back. I value equal to h. I value equal to h. H equal to h. Here the condition h equal to h. This condition returns true. Immediately this break statement is executed. This break statement is executed. Whenever the break statement is executed, immediately the control transferred after the loop. After the loop, the break statement is executed. The control transfer next statement of the given loop. The control transfer next statement. Here the next statement is equal to nothing happens. Run this module. Run the module. See the output at the bottom of the screen. Now run the module. First of all, run the module. Run the current script. The output is only for p value, y value, t value. If the h value, I value equal to h, stop the iteration. Stop the loop iteration. For example, here we are using one example for range function and one example for using break statement for string value. One example for example, we are using for example x equal to, for example, some list one equal to or x equal to 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Print the values of the list for I in range of, for I in x colon if I equal to 33, colon break, and otherwise print. Here the output is only 11 and 22. Only 11 and 22 only. If the I value equal 33, automatically stop the loop. For example, here x value, I value, and what is the output? Here the x values are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Here I value very first time I value equal to 11. Okay, I value equal to 11. If 11 equal to 33, this is 11 equal to 33. This condition returns false, so this statement is not executed. Execute this one, into the output is 11. Again the control goes to back. Again the I value equal, next time I value equal to 22. Second time I value equal to 22. The value of I is 22. I equal to 22. 22 equal to 33. 22 equal to 33. This condition is a false value. This is not executed. Next this is executed. Print of I. The value of I equal to 22. Again the control goes to back. Immediately I value is the next time equal to 33. If I value is 33. If I equal to 33, 33 equal to 33. 33 equal to 33. This condition returns true. Then automatically this break statement is executed. Immediately the control transfer to next statement of the while loop or for loop. The next statement of the for loop, and run this module. Go to run, press F5 or run current script. Run the module. Here the output is to errors because here these are the elements to delete the value. Again run the value in the module. The output is only for 11 and the output is only for 22. Now what is break? Break is a keyword. Break is a statement. It is used to break the loop or exit from the loop. That is the main. What is the note? The important point is this statement is used to exit from the while loop or for loop. The statement is used to exit from the while loop or for loop based on the condition. Conditionally execute. Conditionally exit. Okay, this statement is used to exit from either while loop or for loop. Okay, guys, up to this is clear, all of you. Thanks everyone watching for this video. Next session we will continue for the remaining part. Okay, bye bye.